Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be showing you how to set up this heavy-duty curved support stand. It has a very unique design and it's perfect for backdrops for weddings, receptions, parties, or photo booths. So let's go ahead and get started. Now your stand is going to come with 3 of these square support bases and also 3 support stands. And before we put the stand into the base, we want to make sure that that knob is unscrewed so there's enough space for the support stand. Go ahead and put the support stand into the base and then screw the knob in to tighten. Now you know it'll be tight if that support stand isn't rocking back and forth, so take your time. You want to make sure that that stand is securely connected to the stand. Now we can go ahead and adjust those support stands to our desired height. Now these can go from 5 feet all the way up to 13 feet, so it gets pretty tall. This backdrop stand, even though the top is curved, the support stands still function in the same way as our other backdrop stands, so all you need to do is unscrew those knobs to adjust the height. And it also has a top cap that we'll be using later to secure the top curved bar. So now that we have our support stands at the desired height, we want to go ahead and connect our curved bars. Now these bars, unlike the support stands, are not going to be adjustable. They're about 6 feet each. Now there are 2 curved bars and a support hook, and that support hook is going to connect the 2 bars together. Go ahead and slide each bar into that support hook, and then that silver knob is going to go through the hole and secure the bar in place. Once you're ready to put the curved bars on the top, you want to start at one end, then the middle, then the other end. So go ahead and take that top off and just slide the top bar into the partition stand, replacing the top cap. And here's that middle part we're going to show you from the front and the back. So this is what it looks like from the front if you're facing the backdrop stand, and here's what it looks like from the back. So all you want to do is, just like the ends, you want to slide that top bar into the middle partition and place the top cap over to secure that bar. Now that we have our support stand ready, we can add the backdrop. Now because of that middle partition, you are going to need at least 2 backdrops. Here we'll be using a fabric backdrop with a little pocket, and that's the easiest way to attach any backdrop to the stand. This pole diameter is about 1 1/4 inch thick, and the pocket fabric is about 3 inches, so it fits perfectly. Go ahead and slide your fabric backdrop onto that pole and then adjust as needed. This part is easier with 2 people just because that top bar is heavy. You'll see right here that when we straighten out the backdrop, it's not long enough, so we will be needing to use 2 more to complete this look. Now once you get to the middle and you have your 2 backdrop curtains, you can either sew them together, or if you plan on reusing these backdrops for multiple events, all you need to do is secure them in the back with some backdrop clips. And again, here we're showing you what that looks like from the front, but you'll obviously want to have these in the back, away from view. And once you adjust your backdrop to have more of that pleats look, that partition isn't going to be as obvious, especially if you plan on adding things to the front of the backdrop or decorating it with some flowers or big paper flowers. So as you can see, this is going to bring a whole new different look to your event. This design is perfect for that venue where you might not want a rectangular backdrop, where you want a more unique look for your wedding or special event. Because of its heavy-duty design, it's perfect for so many events, and you can reuse it over and over. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.